Alright everybody, today we're out here with the Kaideng K90, a real classic. This thing flies like a dream, from what I remember, because I haven't flown it for 2 years. Okay, so we don't know, but we're going to find out here in a minute if it's still like it used to be. Let me start some video. I'm not sure about all the controls anymore on this thing. Okay, that one was the flips. That's the rate. And that's all you need to know, basically. I remember when I flew this thing a couple of years ago, from what I remember, it had a long battery life. But I never gave this one away because I remember I really liked it. Okay, so I kept it. Oh, it zips around really, really good, guys. Oh, yeah. It doesn't have an app or anything. It's just recording on the memory card. Hopefully. It does have a micro SD card slot in there. So it's recording on that, we hope. Very twitchy in the third rate. You got to really watch the sticks pretty good. Let's cut it back to the second rate here. There's the first rate. There's the second rate. Let's check the yaw speed out. The second rate. The punch out speed is slow as molasses on this thing. But, you know, it's not losing any, no lag. There's no lag at all in here. None. So it's good for that. That's for sure. If that's what you like, no lag, which is what I like. I like no lag. Now this is the second rate we're going in here, and it's not as fun, okay? Because it's not as fast. It has a decent pitch on it, but not like the third rate. See the difference? Pitch is way more in the third rate. Way more. Yeah, trim is getting a little out of whack. Starting to drift around a little bit. Hold on. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Now hopefully the video will work. Flies great, man. Flies great. I'm not seeing no lights flashing yet. But I'm gonna cut the video just in case, you know, I lose it, so I don't want to lose it. Wait a minute, I saw a light flash. Yes, I did. Wait a minute. Yep, lights are flashing. Now I just have to remember what's the land button. Maybe it was this one here. Hold on. Was it? Yeah, that was it. I tried to catch it, but it hit me in the leg. But no big deal. Trust me. Alright, I think I saved the video. Hopefully. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you later.